Ignore all the facts that tell you you are not going to get it. Because all of that's doing is causing limiting beliefs and resistance. And basically, resistance is like a magnet pulling you the opposite way from your manifestation. Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to manifest something when it may seem like you are not about to get it. If there is something that you've been trying to manifest for a while, go ahead and give this video a like. You are not alone. Before we get started, I want to give you a quick testimonial. So this testimonial may be similar to how you're feeling, so flow with me. The title was "It's the Whatever for Me." Man, so I've been trying to manifest a couple things for a minute now. I wanted 10K and a call from my ex-best friend so we could talk things out. I downloaded your whole LOA bundle and filled out both scripting packets. I expected everything to happen instantly, so I became impatient. Laughing emoji. I just ended up saying whatever and moving on. The moment I did that is when both came. My bestie ended up dreaming about me and texting me, and I had bought a scratch off that I forgot about. It's been in my car for 2 weeks. Let's go. Thank you for all you do. My bad for being impatient. So that is, I would say, normal. That is a part of the manifestation process. You feel it should be here right now, this second, and when it doesn't show up as fast as you want, we become super impatient, or we think it is not going to come. It happens to most of us. Or you may feel like you're doing something wrong. All of my law of attraction manifestation tools are going to be linked in my description box below, including my how to manifest ebook, my guided scripting sheets, my manifestation momentum PDF where I tell you what to affirm and what to visualize, and more. It's for instant download no matter what time it is. You can download it. If you have issues with your order, all you have to do is use the contact page on my website and I will get it to you as soon as possible. So if you are in the process of trying to manifest something but it seems like you're not about to get it, so this is the first thing that you should do. You have to reprogram your subconscious mind, because your mind is the logical part of you. It's giving you every reason why something may not happen. So we need to basically fight that, right? So what I tell people to do is write a list of every reason that you could find as to why you should get it and you will get it, right? For example, it maybe you and a specific person got into it, or you guys had a falling out and things are just not where they should be in your relationship, or it was some kind of misunderstanding, whatever. And right now it seems like things aren't looking too great. I've tried reaching out, they haven't said anything. But you know the love you guys have with each other. You know the history. You know that it can get back on track, but you guys need to have a conversation. So quiet your limiting beliefs by making a list as to every reason why this is going to manifest and why things are going to go your way. The example I just gave you. You and this person have a long history. You and this person are healing and you guys aren't perfect. You and this person love the crap out of each other, etc. Right? So if you are going through a period of time where you're letting doubt seep in, make a list as to every reason why things are going to go your way, things are going to manifest, you are going to get what you want, etc. Reprogram your mind with affirmations, visualizations, and reason. Give every reason why you're really going to get what you want. When it comes to affirmations you typically have to work on. You may say an affirmation doesn't feel as great as it should. One of the reasons why affirmations work, because they raise your vibrations as well, right? So if one affirmation doesn't work for you, keep going. Keep saying affirmations until you find a couple that, you know, it feels good when you think about it, feels good when you say it. As far as the previous example, I love saying the affirmation. I love when they're vulnerable with me. I love when we can have heart-to-heart conversations, because during a period of vulnerability and heart-to-heart conversations, honesty comes out, truth comes out, understanding comes out. Find affirmations that work for you. That's what manifestation momentum. So I put it together for 33 visualization scenarios and over 275 affirmations across 11 different subjects where I tell you what to affirm, I tell you what to visualize. So if you're one of the people that's just like, hey, I don't have a clue on where to start, I have something for you. But when it comes to affirmations and visualizations, they work 2 and 2. They're like Shaq and Kobe to me. I say an affirmation and then I see myself with the thing that I want. I think an affirmation and then I visualize. I think an affirmation and then I visualize. So I'm reprogramming my subconscious mind like, hey, I'm really about to get this. This is real. Help me. Talking to my higher self. Guide me to get me to what I want. My next tip is you have to persist and keep persisting. And keep persisting until what you want to manifest is in your reality, is standing right in front of you right now. You keep persisting. The only thing that matters is the new story. What happened yesterday? Yesterday doesn't matter. We're talking about today. We're talking about your future. Your thoughts manifest into your future. So you can't keep thinking about what went wrong back then. It doesn't matter no more. Create you a new story. What would you like your new story to be? Are you rich? Are you successful in your business? Are you married? Do you have kids? Whatever you were trying to manifest, what new story aligns with what you want to manifest? I have a quick example. When you have a business, you have pretty much certain milestones that you want to hit, right? And I wasn't focusing on my reality of things. I focused on the amount that I wanted to make every single day. So I always talk to my sisters, I talk to my mom, and I always would say, hey, I want to make this amount. I want to make this amount every day. So I'm just gonna put a dollar amount. For an example, my story was always, I want to make $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day. I'm about to start making $1,000 a day. I'm in the bathroom. I'm imagining somebody asking me, how much do you make a day? And I'm like, $1,000 a day. Like, that is the new story. I'm not focusing on, I'm not making $1,000 a day. I'm making $2 a day or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I always keep my focus on the amount that I want. So, but I said all that to say, persist in the new story. Whatever it is that you want, that's the only story that matters. You persist in that story until it comes true. Oh, and what ended up happening in my story, I ended up hitting that goal. It's quite lovely. Some people may call this next strategy or tip delusional, which is fine. In order to manifest, you have to be a little bit delusional. Ignore all the facts that tell you you are not going to get it. Because all of that's doing is causing limiting beliefs and resistance. And basically, resistance is like a magnet pulling you the opposite way from your manifestation. You don't want that, right? You want a magnet to pull you towards your manifestation. So by ignoring the facts that say, hey, you're not going to get this, you're being pulled away from your manifestation. You want to be pushed towards your manifestation. So what pushes you towards your manifestation? You persisting in the new story. You visualizing, you quieting your limiting beliefs. Just because you don't get it as soon as you want it or ASAP or within 2 seconds doesn't mean it's not coming. In reality, the universe is doing stuff behind the scenes to get you what you want, but it's taking a little longer. That's all. Be patient. Enjoy your life. Show gratitude for what you already have right now. Become super satisfied with what you have right now. I'm telling you right now, for having an honesty moment. It was a point in time where I was at my lowest. I mean, lowest. I didn't have shiznit, okay? I didn't have anything. And the only thing I could focus on was the blessings. I refused to spend my days thinking about everything that's going wrong, right? For what? It wasn't going to change anything. So I might as well focus on things that make me happy, people that make me happy, the good times that I'm having, everything that I'm grateful for. And it wasn't fake. Like, it wasn't fake. And when I became so content not having anything and focus on the blessings that is around me, that is non-materialistic, that didn't have anything to do with money at all, that is when the blessing came. So there may be things in your life that you need to clear out. There may be people around you that may have to go. Unfortunately, we all go through it. Your blessing may just be for you, and then there's somebody around you who's blocking your blessing. Some of you already know who that person is, and what you want to do with that person is totally up to you. Yeah, I'm Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/lovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. If you are going to try any of these tips in this video, go ahead and give this video a like for me. Feel free to drop a comment and say whatever. I hope you have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing weekend. Thank you for every like, share, comment, subscribe, donation. Amazing. Thank you.